30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 7. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will show you the 7th way to make $100 per day online. So hopefully you already saw all 7 videos in this YouTube video series. If you didn't, please check them out after you watch this video. Before I'm going to show you the 7th way, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. It really helps me out with the algorithm, and this way I can deliver more videos to you all about making money online and working from home. And also don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. I have my free courses, I have all the tools that I'm using to make money online, so check it all out. I also have my coaching, and right now let me share my screen. Let's jump into this 7th make money online video, guys. What you're going to be doing is buying and selling domains. So you probably heard about it, you probably know what flipping is buying low and selling high. Now where do you find these domains that you can flip for literally hundreds if not thousands of dollars? Right here on expireddomains.net. So what expireddomains.net is, it is a list of domains that people forgot to pay for or didn't want to extend, and you can find them right here. So this means that these are not new domains, these are domains that are at least 1 year, 2 year, 3 years old, and this way they have some value. Okay, so this is where we come in and we find them and we buy the best ones, and you literally have hundreds of new ones every single day, so this can't be saturated. So guys, what we're gonna do right here is just click on expired domains. As you can see, these are the ones from today, so these are the ones that expired today. We have a bunch of different ones, so find the domains that are older. If they are like 5 years old, 10 years old, it is perfect. Even if it's not the best domain, just because it is old, you know, it can go up in price by a lot. And you can also check out how many backlinks it has to it, and also we have like Alexa rank and all of these different things that you can check out now. As you can see, so this first domain right here that I found is from 2004, so it's sungsingJewelry.com. so it's probably a domain that can be sold for at least $100. So that's the first website you will use to find these domains. Now where do you actually see how much they are worth? So this is how you find these domains. Now where do you actually check what kind of prices they can sell for? Now the website you can go to is stbot.com. so all you have to do is just paste in the domain right here, click on appraise, and you will instantly see how much you can sell it for. Now there's another website, domaining.com/valuate. You can do the same exact thing right here. And there's another one, godaddy.com. so actually on GoDaddy you can check out the price and you can also buy the domain name instantly. Okay, so these are the tools that you need to find these domains and also buy the domains and see if it makes sense. And then once you already have the domain, you go to flippa.com. You can set up a listing and sell your domain for whatever the appraisal tells you for. Okay, so flippa.com is just one of these places. You can also set up a listing on sedo.com, above.com, and there's a bunch of different ones. I actually have a full video showing you exactly what to do. I just wanted to show you the overview in this video right here. So guys, just to give you an idea, you can literally make well over $100 with this. Every single day you can buy literally 10 or 20 domains every single day, the ones that go expire, and sell 1 or 2 per day and make $100 per day easily. Probably the easiest way to make money online, because literally it takes minutes. If you want to work from home, I definitely recommend it. So guys, before you go and before you check out the next video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell. Again, it really helps me out with the algorithm. And check out all the links in the description. And right now, go and watch the next video on this channel. See you in the next one. Ciao.